I do like Japan's early summer sunrises. It's 4:47 in the morning and I've just woken up to a nice sunrise. I'm gonna have my coffee and then go for a walk in a bit. Alright, good morning. It's about 6:15 or something. Sun's been up for a couple of hours already. Just going to go for a little walk and then I'm going to catch a train. It's only about 3 stops down to Akihabara, which is like electronics district, also manga-y kind of district. Just going to have a look to see if I can get a lightweight drone that I'm allowed to fly over here, so that when I get out of Tokyo, I can, maybe you get the drone up in the air. So I'm going to go have a look at that. And it's a hot one today. It's 36 again, and it's only 6:30 in the morning, and it's already like 28 degrees, super humid. So I'll go out in the morning, and then I'll probably come back for the afternoon to the hotel and just do some trip planning, book some more accommodation, make some more plans for tomorrow. It's getting, I don't know, about back, down to 30 or something tomorrow, so that'll be a lot better. So yeah, just gonna go for a bit of a walk. That's why the streets here are so clean. That there's a man who's just sweeping the gutters. I mean, it doesn't take long to do in a whole big city of 30 million, does it? It's the train station area where I came in last night. I'm gonna, like I said, see if I can see anything to take some pictures of. But obviously that's generally better in the afternoon or the night time when the lighting's a bit better, but we'll see how we go. Alright, I'm going to turn off for a bit and just go for a stroll. I'll probably end up on the train pretty soon, to be completely honest with you. Middle of all the busy business, and only a couple of 100 metres from my hotel. I found some serenity. They just have such lovely peaceful gardens. I'll definitely be going to a few temples and gardens and stuff just to get out of the heat while I'm here. But yeah, it was a nice little find just near the hotel. I was just trying to find the south entrance to the stations. That's apparently where I've got to go to get my train. So yeah, I'll leave it there, but get on the train and take it from there. Bye guys. So just did 3, that was pretty easy. You got the ticket, I'll show you next time, the little screen in English, very easy. You just type in the station you're going to and you just pay for that. And 3 stops, $1.50 or something, pretty cool. Okay, so I found Akihabara. Excuse all the mispronunciations through this next 4 weeks because this is how it's going to be, but I'm hoping that I can find a drone in that shop, but there's plenty. This whole area is just full of electronics and manga, so I'm hoping. But it's not open. It's only like 8 o'clock because I've been up since like 10 to 5 and it's hot, but I'm going to go for a bit of a walk and I don't know, maybe it opens at 8:30 or something. So I just found out that most of the electrical shops here don't open until 9:30. They probably stay open until freaking 9 o'clock at night every night, I'd say. So I am just going to keep walking around and have little breaks. It is warm as I've said, so just sit in the shade. Alright, I thought I'd do a bit of filming. Nothing's still open, but as we can see, we're in a little bit of the busiest strip now. With manga everywhere, whole way down as far as we can see. I'm going to go for a bit more of a cruise down this road here. Free Wi-Fi booth. Might actually stop down here and try to get a train picture coming over the tracks. Electrical shop's finally open, 3rd floor for drones. This is about 7 floors. It's absolutely massive. All of electronics. I mean, you can see the size of the store. I'd like to give you some idea. This, all of that, around. And we have 7 floors of it. So level 3 we're going for drones. It's like being at Disneyland. Not that I've been at Disneyland, but it's about what I can imagine. I've been to Universal Studios in Osaka, but not to Disneyland. I was just looking what's there. Alright, we'll go and find the drones. Bye. I got my drone. Only weighs 80 grams, which means I can use it here without needing to get a license or to apply to the transporty people in Japanese 10 days prior, which wasn't going to happen. So I was looking for one under 80 grams. I didn't have time in Australia to wait for one to get delivered. So I found one $120 or something. Only does 720p, but for now that's okay. Hopefully I can still grab some alright footage. I know how to get out of here because this place is so big. Oh yeah, that's the place I came. Alright, bye Mario, we're out of here. Taking our drone and we're going home. Alright, I've got a 10-minute walk back to my train and then hotel. Just go back to Nakori. Alright, I'll show you how easy. Guidance will be displayed in English. Alright, well that's confused me because that's not like what the other one was. going. Alright, didn't realise it was a JR ticket here. But it is. It's about $1.60. There's one. This one. Done. Ticket. And voila. Alright, now we're just going to find where we're going. I'm going to turn off for a bit and go find which side. Alright, I'm going to record myself with my first flight. This would be fun. Take off, we'll slide to take off. Whoop. Probably because of the battery. Right, we only had one little dooflicky of power, so I think that's why it takes ages to charge. But that was a bit bloody cool.